Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're checking in once again in this stage of vegging. I always think of the plants being kind of like teenagers. They want to be grown up, but they also need guidelines, boundaries, thus the screen and the training that we've been doing with pipe cleaners and zip ties, anchoring and pulling them down and out, which is something that I do and adjust pretty much on a daily basis, or at least every time I water, I start to adjust the spreading. And what I've really found between these three, I've got two sister seeds here that are sativas or hybrid. This one's my indica. And I find that the sativa branches are super flexible. So very willing to be pushed and spread and manipulated. This one too, our runts, very happy. But my indica, I have had to be very gentle with her before I secure and pull too hard, because she's much stiffer in her branches. So I've been doing a little bit of yoga stretches with these girls. Open up a nice straddle stretch and a forward fold over here before I lock them down. So it's one of the things that I really enjoy about growing this particular plant is that it has its own personality. Our runt, look at her. She's got some tremendously big fat fan leaves, which are great because, as I've said before, our fan leaves are the solar system, our solar panels. So they're very necessary. But we start to eliminate anything that's really big and creating too much shade, like this. And she's at the knuckle. And right up in here, along this branch, where am I here? And this one could easily be eliminated because I think she has done her job. And she can be plucked off. So let's do that today. Thank you for your job. Well done. But see how that immediately opened up that space in there to let light in. So probably again, while I'm spreading out, anchoring down, encouraging all of these branches to go onto and out into this SCROG, screen of green. We want to begin to eliminate any of the fan leaves that have finished their job and now are just creating too much shade. So little by little, teenagers doing their things, growing, stretching, expressing themselves. Until next check-in, enjoy growing your own in small spaces.